My skin is still dry too. Skin solution. Great skin solution. 大家的卡前面。Hi, welcome to AsterSpring Great Skin Solutions. My name is Yi. Today I will share a home DIY to help your skin achieve professional skin treatment result using products, innovations and technologies. I notice more visible lines on my forehead. My expression line seems to be more noticeable lately since I miss my regular facial. My skin feels dry too. I'm going to share a simple and easy to use home care DIY using the Mojica professional grade skincare from USA. If you face the same aging and dryness issue, come along with me.
Cleansing is the most important step to begin my daily skin regimen. To start my cleansing, I will use a PreCleanse oil. This highly cleansing oil helps to melt away all impurities. It also removes my makeup effectively. I always rely on it before my second cleansing to keep my skin absolutely clean. I use special cleansing gel and mix it with a gentle scrub, like this daily Microfoliant to help remove dead skin cells that causes skin dullness. Add water and mix them into a smooth paste and apply onto face. Unlike other brands, the Mojica products are made with no harmful ingredients to deliver results without being harsh on skin. For better results, I use PT Sonic from the USA for 8 times cleansing than manual cleansing. My skin feels and looks instantly brighter with a more refined skin texture. As our skin ages, we lose our skin natural glow because our skin renewal process slows down. Therefore, consistently exfoliating my skin helps to improve my skin renewal, ensure a more radiant skin and better absorptions of active ingredients into my skin. For my weekly skin renewing boost, I rely on Rapid Review Peel. This light gel helps to deliver maximum strength exfoliations without being harsh on my skin. It gives my complexion instant transformations with Phyto exfoliating complex. Just leave on for 7 minutes, just once a week. That's all it takes. If you need extra anti-aging boost, start doing 3 times only for the first week. I love how my skin feels immediately after peel. Smoother, brighter, lifted, refined with less visible pores and more radiance. Not all toner is created equal. I like the instant flash firming result of this anti-aging toner. It grows up my skin all day with its antioxidant shield to protect my skin recovery from effects of the environment and lifestyle which can age the skin by 5 years. Just a few sprigs of this toner which has precious rose oil to keep my skin dewy. I even use it before my makeup to prep my skin and after. To bring out the radiance on my skin, I rely on this amazing serum with clinically proven results. This innovative 2-in-1 serum helps firm, lift, and revitalize with biomimetic peptides, powerful botanicals, and next-generation hyaluronic acid. This doubles skin luminosities and minimizes the appearance of fine lines immediately and reduces visible wrinkles in 4 weeks. This at-once serum restores my skin's youthful appearance by at least 5 years. My skin does not feel dry or oily. In fact, it helps to awaken the nature of a young-looking skin. I need an all-day protection from a more intense anti-aging moisturizer. This super rich repair comes with great lifting and wrinkle smoothing results to minimize my expression lines. One very important happy ending would be sunblock. Exposure to UV and blue light accelerates skin aging, so using SPF is important to defend against skin aging. I chose one with a sheer texture, non-greasy and one that blends 100% invisibly into my skin. The invisible physical defense comes with broad-spectrum protection to shield my skin from blue light and UV exposure with the latest non-chemical soothing ingredients. My skin feels absolutely luminous, firm, and lines-free.
Simple and easy, right? To achieve long-lasting and professional skin result, visit your favorite AsterSpring center at least once every 2 weeks to achieve great skin health with us. Not only get your extractions done professionally, but also massage that are exclusively designed for maximum relaxations. Click the notification button to keep updated and connect with us. Check the description below on how you can get your DIY kit. See See you again!